Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I'll be showing you some minimum requirements that has to be met before PostgreSQL can be installed on your computer. So these are the minimum requirements, regardless whether if you're using a Windows, a Linux, or a Mac. So these are the operating systems that you can install PostgreSQL if you are on a Windows. So it doesn't matter if you're on a 32-bit or a 64-bit Windows operating system. This B here basically means bit. I just left out the I and the T to create some space. So if you've got Windows 7, 8, or 10, then your machine should be ready to accept the installation. Also, if you have Windows 2008 server, Windows 2012 server, you need a minimum of 1 gigahertz of processor speed. This is just the absolute minimum. You need at least 1 gigabyte of RAM. You need at least a gigabyte of hard disk space. You need an account that has an administrator role that you can use to perform the installation. However, if you've got an account that's got an admin role or privilege, you can usually right click on the installation file and select run as admin. For Linux, if you are running a Linux 32 or 64-bit, these are the operating systems you can use. You can use a CentOS 6.x and 7, Ubuntu 14.04, Debian 7 and 8, Oracle Enterprise Linux 6 and 7, and again, a minimum of 1 gigahertz processor speed is required. 1 gigabyte RAM. You need to have a super user privilege on an account. You need that before you can perform the installation. If you are on a Mac, you can install PostgreSQL on OS X Server 10.8, 10.9, and 10.10. You need a minimum 1 gigahertz processor power or speed, 1 gigabyte RAM or memory. You also need a super user account with super user privileges to perform the installation. So these are the bare minimum requirements if you're running Windows, Linux, or Mac and you wish to install PostgreSQL. These are the absolutely bare minimum requirements. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.